Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my Linux setup. So I typically don't say that these people don't like Linux, but many of them think it's very complicated and many of them are adjusted to Mac Linux. But when it comes to my point of view on Linux, it's a really good operating system which is free from all the kind of corporate technological giants spy boards on you. And it doesn't matter whether what others think about the Linux community until then it doesn't matter what other people think about Linux community for now, at least. Once they get to know about Linux for what it's real, and I would like more and more try out Linux rather than commenting or thinking or assuming that it's some kind of difficult stuff. See, my opinion may be different from your opinion, but when you ask me, Linux is really good operating system, especially there is a wide range of distro and also desktop environments you can explore on, and it's compatible with a wide range of hardware, even your old saggy laptop or a computer or a desktop or workstation which is lying down there dusty for years may get a new life with your Linux system. So Linux is, it's not just an operating system, it's an emotion. Linux operating system or a distro helps you to customize your system or desktop environment how you want, and it's completely customizable. It's not paid, it's open source, free, and created by people who are tech enthusiasts. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my Linux setup, and please share your view on that and comment down which Linux distro you use. For me, this Linux setup is one of the best Linux setup I have ever found or seen till now, because I have tried a wide range of Linux systems, that is Arch Linux, Manjaro Linux, and also Endeavour is good OS. But when it comes to choosing a particular distro in Linux, it's a personal preference. I don't say this distro is good or this distro is bad. It is completely according to your requirement, your needs, and your habits in a tech point of view or on your computer. If you're somebody who likes to tweak on a lot and likes to tweak with the kernels, like very core stuffs, and you're a very bleeding edge kind of people who want to explore new things, who wants to explore new updates in your Linux system, you can definitely choose Arch Linux. Arch Linux is a very good distro. It's lightning fast and it requires minimum resources to run on your computer, and it is completely compatible with old hardware. And it's also got some of the great features compatible, that is the hyperland and the other types of window manager. And choosing GNOME is also not a bad idea for using Arch Linux. And if you're someone who is new to Linux, I would recommend you to use Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a very good Linux distro, but it requires a bit of more hardware, a slightly standard hardware configuration. If your computer system's hardware configuration is low, you may go with an XFCE version of Ubuntu. It's a pretty good choice. Or if you want a clear, good design and minimalistic feel, and if you're native to Windows, you are switching to Linux, then I would recommend you to get started with Linux LMD now. And I said Linux Mint LMD. Linux Mint LMD is the version taken from Debian, and when it comes to Linux Mint standard form, it is from Ubuntu. My setup is completely a Debian classic, okay, and I will show my setup. This is Debian 12, and this is my configuration. This is the kernel. These are the package related details. This is the resolution, and these are the themes I'm currently using. and NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 is the GPU I'm having, and this is the pretty good. This is a pretty good i5 standard configuration with the 4.3 gigahertz of speed, and this is the memory. It's about 16 GB of RAM, and I have an SSD of 241 GB. So this is my configuration, and most in Debian you get many of the game-like applications, Sudoku and something, which is not required. You can uninstall it, which is a very good option, and you can put on or stick onto the packages that you want. So this is my distro pretty much, and you can view the what you call setting resource usages over there. If you want real-time resource usage, you can use htop. And here you can see all the resource usages on htop. So this was my Linux setup. Tell me about your Linux setup and which distro you use. Comment down below. Thank you for watching.